Ladies and gentlemen, just a quick catch up on my Agapanthus that I started from seed. These were started in 3rd of February 2019, so a year and a half old. So they can take for 3 years to flower. I'm hoping that these, with being so healthy, such vigorous plants, that I might get flowers out of them next year. I shall put them in the greenhouse before the first frost to protect them. As you can see, some of these have got 3 or 4 main stems. So we're doing really well. This is it's highborn hybrid, the name of the seeds. But yeah, as you can see, just have a look at the roots of these. Really good root system. Just get it out to the sun, see a bit better there. But yeah, as you can see there, really healthy root system. I shall pot these up probably end of February, beginning of March. Put them into bigger pots, give them a good feed. Yeah, there's the shelf I've just knocked together. This was left outside, so we didn't want it, so I've just put a few cross members in just to strengthen it. And yeah, looks nice. Needs painting, but I'll get around to that. But yeah, they should get a lot more sun here. They've been on the back out of the sun, so they would have been even bigger if I'd had them round here first. So yeah, that's just a quick catch up, just to show you how my Agapanthus are getting on, that I started from seed, I said a year and a half ago. If you've got any questions regarding my Agapanthus, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, everybody, please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up. And if you're on Facebook, please give me a like, thank you. I've got one here that I got from a Harrogate Flower Show several years ago. This is called Queen Mum. This one is absolutely gorgeous. And this I got from the pound shop. This is the blue variety. That's finished flowering now. The seeds are getting ready for collection. As soon as they dry up, they'll be ready. So yeah, thank you for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye.